I bet you never blended oats, peanuts, wine, and ice cream together. But I bet after today you will. Listen, this is not your average smoothie. We're blending oats, raw peanuts, prunes, and add some vanilla essence, some red label wine, almond milk, and yes, I said wine. But before you judge, just watch the texture: thick, creamy, rich. This isn't breakfast, this isn't an experience. If you love bold flavors and trying something different, this one is for you. After adding all those ingredients, cover your blender and blend until smooth. Be honest. Which wine would you use? Red or white wine? Be honest. Leave it in the comments. After you have blended and it is smooth to the texture that you like, now I am gonna add a pinch of salt and some banana ice cream. This is optional. You can use any ice cream of your choice, but I choose to try the banana ice cream. Add some cubes of ice. Then put your blender on smoothie and allow it to form a delicious smoothie, which will be actually creamy smoothie. You've come this far into the video and you haven't subscribed as yet. What are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please like, leave a comment, let me know if you would try this Tipsy Monkey Fuel Smoothie. Wow, this is so creamy and smooth. I have tried it before, so I know it tastes absolutely great. You should try it also. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate